Hi, dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about a new lesson. It's about using data to write problems. So let's start. I have here, remember this pictograph. Okay, so I can here ask some questions on this pictograph. I have here books we read, and I have here the key of the pictograph. Each face stands for one book, and I have here the names of the children. So if I ask here a question, what story problems could you ask about the data here? So if I have here this question, four children read some books. How many books did Craig and Kyle read together? So Craig and Kyle, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So they read together 7 books. If we have here another question, how many books did what read than what? So I'm going to here make the question by myself. What do you think, my dear students? What do you like? I can say how many more books did we have here Lori and Paula. So how can I say how many more books did Lori read than Paula? Yeah. So Lottie here read how many books greater than or more than? So we got here one, just one book more than Paula as we see here. I have here another pictograph as you see. I have here about the favorite pet. So we have here the names of the pets: cat, fish, hamster, dog. And here the heart stands for one child. Write a question that the graph should be used to solve, then solve. Okay, I have here children voted for their favorite pet. So what do you think, guys? How many children voted for their favorite pet in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 children voted in all. Can I write here a question? Of course, I can say how many children liked cats? How many children liked or voted for the cats? So the answer will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 children voted for cats. I have here another pictograph. Let's see it together. Okay, animals at the park. We have here the number of the animals and we have here animal. What do you think, my dear students? This is a pictograph or a bar graph? Excellent. How can I recognize between them? The bar graph has here what bars, but the pictograph has pictures, right? So this is very important. Write a question that the graph should be used to solve, then solve. So I can write here a question that the graph be used to solve. And what's the question? We saw these animals at the park. Okay, can we have here a question? Yeah. What's the number of rabbits? What's the number of rabbits? So the answer will be one number, one rabbit. What's the number of the chipmunk? The number of the chipmunk here is two. Two chipmunks. Okay. So it's very easy to make a question. Yes, it is. Use this is pictograph or bar graph. This is bar graph. Why? Because we have here some bars. We have here number of toy cars and the color. So here we have raised toy colors. Use the data in the bar graph. Write a problem, a question that you would use addition, okay, or subtraction, whatever you want to solve, then solve. So can I say a question here to have the addition in the problem? It's very easy. I can say how many red and green cards? How many red and green toy cars? So I'm going to add the red, which is here 4, and the green, which is 1. 1 plus 4 gives me 5. And I can have here a question for the subtraction. How many more? Yeah, so I'm comparing here how many more the blue cars than the green cars. Blue cars here 3 and the green cars just 1. So the difference when I compare, I'm here subtracting, so the difference will be 2 cars. Easy? I think it is. Use the bar graph above. Which question could you use the bar graph to solve? How many cars are the same size? We have here the same size. We are talking about the size. No. How many toy cars does Ray have? Who has more red cars than Ray? So we don't have here anyone except Ray. So the answer must be how many toy cars does Ray have, right? Okay, my dear students, your homework is on page 673, and if you finish your homework, and you can find here for more practice page 674. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.